Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This week's video is a tutorial on these brows right here, and we're just gonna get straight on into it. So first thing I'm doing is I'm taking a clean spoolie and I'm brushing all of my eyebrow hairs up. Having them all pushed up is the most important part about this look. So you're gonna wanna get something to keep them in place, such as a clear brow gel. I'm using this one by NYX. It's very similar to the Anastasia Beverly Hills one, but way like 3 times cheaper than it, I'm pretty sure. I took this shot right here because I wanted to show you the difference of how much that already made from pushing all the eyebrow hairs up with the gel. So after I've applied it all over my brows, I just pushed it in with my finger. It tends to leave a little bit of a shiny residue, so doing this will get rid of that and help keep them in place by pushing them down. For my product today that I'm going to use on my brows, well, I act like I never use it, this is all that I ever use, but it's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pomade in dark brown. And then I'm using a thin angled brush. This one is by It Cosmetics. So I've noticed that a lot of eyebrow, like angled brushes, they tend to be pretty thick, and I feel like you need them to be thin for an area like your eyebrows. So I really like this one because of how thin it is. I've actually purchased this brush twice already, so I highly recommend this one for brows. So you're just going to want to start making really small strokes all over your eyebrows. This is what gives the realistic look of hairs, and then also kind of gives you that really fluffy and feathery look all over your brows. I was getting really messy for some reason, and so you're going to want to clean that up with some concealer. So I'm using this small concealer brush, and I'm just going to clean them up underneath and then also on the top of my brows as well. To blend that in, I'm taking a flat blending brush and I'm just going to blend the bottom and the top of my brows in. And then I took the clear brow gel again and I brushed all of the hairs up. If you want a little bit more control as far as where the hairs are going, I just took the same brush and I just moved them around as they needed to be. I feel like what helps this look the most to get like really fluffy and really feathery brows is like that sharp point that you get from each stroke. So it's really important with this kind of look that you take your time and that literally every single line counts when you're doing brows like this. Anyway, this was a pretty short tutorial, but it's very easy. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. I love you, and I'll see you next time.